Welcome to Maths Genius. Today we will be covering an important topic in the maths portion. Welcome to another session with your instructor Sir Noor Ali. The last property that we discussed, and the last property stated that two tangent segments drawn to a circle from the same external point are congruent, right? So if you look over here, you will be amazed to see that A is the point, right? So tangents are drawn from this point A, right? So they are congruent, right? So it means what? It means that if C is equal to 5, right? This one, C is equal to 5, right? This value is given. Then it means CF is equals to 5, right? Because these two are congruent, right? Starting from this point, right? From the same external point, two tangents are passing. One is this, the other is this, right? So if this is 5, then this is 5 as well. Now the whole length is 12 centimeter, right? Right? The 12 is given, right? So this part is 5. So what will the other part be? The other part B will be like 12 minus 5, and it is equal to 7. Okay? So this part is 7. Now what is BD? Now again this is the one of the external point, right? If we have a closer look at it, right, now this is the external point, right, B. So it is now crossing the tangent, right? Now there are two tangents passing from it, and they are both originating from the same external point. So it is 7, this one. So this one also 7, right? Now from this point, if you look over here, what is happening? The points are coming from the origin, right? So now A is the external point. Now AD, what will AD be? ADB will be same as AE, because from the same external point. Now you guys must have understood that what that property really meant, right? Because now we applied that property in all the aspects in a real question, right? How we did it, right? We have applied that property in all the possible aspects as possible, right? First of all, what we did, we take the external point from this point, then, right, by considering C, right? So C from here, there were two tangents passing, and we found out from there, right? Then from the side that is B, from the part of B, right, I made a tangent, and from there we looked at the external side that applied that property. And now from A, right, now from A we are applying the same property. So this is 2, this is 2 as well, and we have to find the length of AB, right? So this is 2. So if I want to write in the form, I would be writing AB is equals to AD plus DB or BD. If I am going downwards, I would be writing DB. So AD we have found out that it is equal to 2 and DB is equal to 7. So the final value is 9. And the correct option for our choice is option number C, which has a value of 9. So we have to find the angle ABC, right? So we have to find basically this. angle ABC question mark. And I did it on a separate page as well because I knew that it is important and it is often tested in the exams. It states that angle outside the circle formed by 2 seconds or a second and a tangent or two tangents is equal in degrees to 1/2 the difference of its intercepted. Now if you look closely over here, you will come to a realization. It will be the difference between the two arcs, right? So difference is it can be represented by what sign? It can be represented by xi. And by looking at the arc length, we could generally say that this arc length is greater, this is smaller, so that's why x minus 1. Right? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to apply POE, and that is process of elimination. And you will directly eliminate those answers which has only one variable. Now you have to do that half of the difference, right? So it should be like half of the difference of the two angles. Right? So difference, where is the difference? The difference over here is x minus 5 and half is over here as well. So both properties are satisfied. It means that our final answer is accurate. That's the end of the session.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.